lovers? This is Michelle with Makeup Final Sell, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to achieve this amazing and glamorous purple makeup look with all of our affordable makeup products. So stay tuned so you can see the whole process, and I just want to let you know that we have all of these products available, so yes, stay tuned. So I'm gonna start by priming my face. I'm gonna be using this face primer that is gonna reduce the size of my pores, and it's gonna help me apply a really nice foundation before we start doing the eyes and all of the glam. Okay, so we're gonna start now with foundation, and I'm gonna be using this foundation. I use about 2 to 3 pumps, and this is gonna help me cover all of my imperfections, red spots, acne marks, everything that you wanna cover because it's really full coverage. And I'm gonna be using this kabuki brush that is gonna help me spread all of the foundation really even all over my face. Now that we have our base well done, we're gonna use an eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna be using this product, and this is gonna help me define my eyebrows, and I'm gonna show you right now how quick and easy that is. So first I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up so I can see my shape, and I'm gonna start drawing hair by hair, creating a shape on my eyebrow. And we're also gonna feel any spot that we have, so we can make the illusion that we have a lot of hair in our eyebrows. Now that we have eyebrows done, and also I apply a little bit of concealer, I'm gonna be setting everything with this powder. And I'm also gonna be using my favorite set of brushes. This is gonna help me with the eyeshadow, blush, even applying my powder is this one over here. And I really like that set because it brings all of the basic brushes that you need. You need a brush for your contour, you need a brush for your powder, for your eyeshadows, and I feel like this brush set has everything that you need for a basic makeup look like the one that we're doing today. I'm gonna be using this flat brush to apply my powder. And first, I'm gonna do like a style of baking under my eyes. And I'm gonna apply all of that powder, a little bit on top of my nose, all the way up. This is gonna help me set that concealer, and also when I'm doing my eyeshadow, if anything comes out, any fallout, the powder is gonna pick it up and it's not gonna ruin my base. Now we're gonna start with eyes. I'm gonna be using my eye primer, and this is really important because this is gonna help you create a very transition and also a pigmentation when you apply your shadows. It's gonna bring all of that pigmentation down to your eyes, and the colors are gonna look really bright. And because we're using a very colorful look, a purple eyeshadow, we really need an eye primer. So this is the one I'm using, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. Okay. Everything is gonna go this way, and it's gonna help me set and achieve that really pigmented eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna blend with my finger. So everything is nice and blended. We don't see any hard lines. Now for my favorite part, I'm gonna be using this wonderful and amazing palette. First, I'm gonna be using this color over here for my transition shade. This really bright purple. So I'm gonna place that color on the outside so I can have all the pigmentation right there. And then I'm gonna blend all the way in, okay? So we have the purple right there. And then we start blending. This is gonna be my transition shade, and I really want this color to be really bright. So I'm bringing all of that color inside, so all of my crease can have that color. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. First, we place the color on the outside of the eye. Okay, by tapping, we're gonna do like a tapping motion, and we're gonna drag all of that color to the inside. Okay. Once we know that the color is set, we can start blending. So now we're gonna use this really dark purple for our outer corner, and this is gonna add a lot of dimension to our eye, this one over here. And I'm gonna add that color on the outside of my eye only, okay? out of V over here. So you're gonna start seeing how this adds dimension to my eye. Do you see? Only the outside of my eye. And if you see any heart line, you can just go ahead with your first brush and try to incorporate all of that shadow together so you don't see any heart lines between those two colors. And then I go back with my first brush and try to blend those two colors together so there's no harsh line. Now that we have all of that ready, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a little bit of black, this one over here. That's gonna let us define a little bit more the outer corner and just add a little bit of darkness and definition. So I'm gonna use the same brush, just a little bit, okay, because black is really tricky to work with. And I'm just gonna place that color on the outer corner, okay? Mixing that with my purple that I applied before. And I'm gonna join the black with my lash line. And what I'm doing with the black is mostly try to tap, because if we blend, it's gonna look all ashy and it's not gonna blend well. Black is really tricky, so the best thing is just to apply it by tapping motions. Of course, if you don't want the black to go all the way out, because I'm trying to do like a wing with the same eyeshadow, you can also like keep it a little lower and then just on the outer corner you don't have to drop all the way out, okay? Now we're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna use this very flat brush like this one. And you're gonna bring or use any concealer that you have and we're gonna cut the crease, okay? We really need a brush that is flat because we need the precision to actually make a really clean cut. So you're gonna follow how your lid is, the shape. And one trick is to always like look on the mirror, open your eyes and see when you open you can actually see the crease cut, then that means that you're good. If you can't see it, then go a little higher, okay? Okay, now that you have something like that, I'm gonna go ahead with my first blending brush and I'm gonna add the dark purple just to blend the outside of that cut crease a little bit so everything looks nice and blended and all the colors are incorporated. Now we're gonna set that cut crease that we applied with this white color from the palette, just to have everything matte and not creasing. And we're gonna apply a very liquid eyeshadow that has like some kind of glittery purple underneath. It is a liquid eyeshadow. Okay, so we are gonna apply that liquid eyeshadow all over my lid. And you can see how it adds some kind of glitter to our lid and it makes everything pop and look really pretty. Now we're gonna do a liquid eyeliner. We're gonna just add a little cat eye, not too big because we already have that black drama over there. And this is the product that I'm gonna be using. So for this part, I want you to take a deep breath and let's start doing it. We're just gonna line really close to our lash line. Okay, and then at the end, we're just gonna create a really small wing. So now we're gonna do mascara. This is a product that I'm using. Guys, are you seeing this? Oh my god, I have like no lashes. Do you see how this is bringing so much volume? Do you want one? I have one for you. If you click the link down below, you can get one for free. and you can let me know how this works for you, because for me it works amazing. Now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my blush first before we finish the whole eye area. And I'm gonna be using this blush palette that I love. Look at these beautiful colors. My contour first. Now using the purples and the black, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line. The same colors that I showed you in the beginning, so that's what we're gonna use. Here I'm gonna go my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of black, okay? Looking good. You have a little bit of definition in your lower lash line. You're also gonna add more of our mascara in your lower lash line. Guys, I love how this mascara looks. And if you get one, you can get the other one for free, so you can try them. We have the definition and the volume, and both are so good. Do you see how much volume it gave me? And I have like no lashes. So make sure you get yours. Now for my lips, I'm gonna be using this lip color. I like it because it's like a nude and like a light pink. And we don't want that drama. We don't want anything too dark because already we have the drama in our eyes. So we're going to go ahead and use this color. Once you have that one applied, I'm gonna go ahead and apply another color because I want to mix the pinks. So I'm gonna use this one. Wow, look at that color. That's how it looks. You guys like it? So for the final touch, I'm just adding a couple lashes. It's really quick and easy. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. This is what we achieved with the beautiful palette. And I just wanted to let you know that all of the products are available in our page. This is your chance to get all of your beauty products from skincare, makeup, hair tools, perfumes, and many more. We only come once a year, so make sure you save the date. With a very affordable price tag. We're gonna be open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and everybody can come. If you mark GOIN and share our event on Facebook, you can get a free lip gloss. The only thing you have to do is show it to a staff member.